In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out and control video speed in Canva. Open a video template in Canva so we have a canvas and timeline ready. If you're starting from scratch, any video design works. The key is that a video is on the page. Hit play to preview your footage and get a feel for where you want the zoom and speed changes to happen. When you reach the exact moment you want to begin the effect, pause on that frame so we can make a precise cut. With the playhead parked on that frame, press S on your keyboard to split the clip, or right-click on the timeline and choose Split. Continue watching, then pause on the frame where you want the effect to end and make a second split. You now have a middle segment dedicated to the zoom and speed change. Click that middle clip to select it. To zoom in, drag any corner handle outward to enlarge the video until your subject fills the frame. This creates a clean, punchy zoom without adding extra layers. If you need to tweak the focus, click and drag to reposition the video so the important part sits in the center. If your goal is a zoom out, simply scale the clip smaller instead of larger to reveal more of the scene. Take a quick preview to check framing and adjust until it looks natural. Next, select the third page or scene so we can adjust playback speed. At the top of the editor, you'll see a control labeled 1x or speed. Click it to open the speed settings, then increase the value to make the clip play faster or lower it to slow things down. A subtle change usually feels smoother, and remember that speed adjustments affect how long that clip lasts on the timeline. To connect the shots seamlessly, add a transition between your clips. Choose Match and Move for a smart, automatic motion that bridges the normal shot and the zoom shot. Adjust the transition duration to find the pace that best matches your edit. Short for a snappy cut, a bit longer for a gentle flow. When you're happy with the look, apply that transition between all pages to keep your edit consistent throughout the project. Finally, click Preview to watch the entire sequence from start to finish. If anything feels too fast, too slow, or slightly off-center, stop, tweak the split points, scaling, or duration, and preview again. That's it. You've created a clean zoom and dialed in your video speed right inside Canva.